We fine-tuned our notes feature as part of version 12's upgrade, and now I want to show you how it works. So I've created a quick mind map so I can use the new notes tool and show you what it can do now. We're looking at organising myself for going on holiday. Not that I've even booked a holiday yet. So we have created a basic map with some different symbols and bubbles telling us what we need to be organised with. Let's go into packing and into the subtopic of hold luggage. Let's click in Note along the top toolbar. And you can see this looks different to how it looked previously. It looks nicer, slicker. We can increase the size of the note here and reduce the size of it. We can also now do that with one click of a button here. So let's go back into the note. Let's fill our suitcase with towels, swimwear, flip-flops. I'm obviously going somewhere warm. Clothes. Okay, so with this icon here, we can add bullet points or a numbered list. And we can change between the two as we want. Okay, let's close that down and show you in hand carry how we, if we click on note, how we can now insert more than one graphic. Let's make that bigger. Right click, insert graphic, and let's pop in some sunglasses. We can reduce the size of the sunglasses in that note as well. Now to add another graphic, which we couldn't do previously, we'll add suntan lotion. And again, we can reduce the size of that should we want to as well. And then when we transfer everything across to outline, you'll see the images and the bullet points all come across there too. See? So we can add multiple graphics, we can add bullet points, numbered lists, the whole look of the notes looks nicer, and there are our version 12 changes.